Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sir Boats Yacht, your go-to channel for everything that floats. Today we've got something really special lined up for you. We're diving into a full review and walkthrough of a unique and incredibly versatile vessel, the Adventure Craft 28 Nomad Houseboat. Whether you're a weekend explorer, a fishing enthusiast, or someone who dreams of taking your home on the water, this boat offers a package that blends comfort, mobility and function in a way that's hard to beat. The Adventure Craft 28 Nomad Houseboat is not your typical boat. It's not quite a yacht, not quite an RV, but sits comfortably at the crossroads of both. This makes it a fantastic choice for those looking to enjoy extended adventures without sacrificing the comforts of home. Designed with practicality in mind, this boat is perfect for lakes, rivers and calm coastal waters, and it's fully trailerable, meaning you're not stuck with a single location. You can literally tow your vacation with you wherever you want to go. One of the key features of the Nomad is its compact yet highly efficient design, measuring in at around 28 feet in length. It's small enough to tow yet large enough to feel spacious inside. It sports a distinctive boxy shape, which might not be the sleekest profile on the water, but that shape serves a purpose. It maximizes interior space to make every inch count. This design is intentional and tailored toward usability rather than aesthetics, and it delivers. The hull is built for shallow drafts, which means you can access spots most bigger boats can't reach. This makes it perfect for secluded coves, inland lakes, or even riverside hideouts. The high freeboard and wide beam provide stability and safety even when fully loaded with gear and passengers. It's also equipped with sturdy aluminum railings, a swim platform and roof access, making it as practical as it is fun. When we step inside the Adventure Craft 28 Nomad, the real charm starts to show. Despite its relatively small size, the interior is thoughtfully laid out to include everything you'd need for an extended stay on the water. There's a helm station up front with a clear view through large wraparound windows, offering excellent visibility for navigating tight spots. The controls are straightforward and user-friendly, even for less experienced boaters. The living space includes a compact kitchenette complete with a stove, sink, refrigerator and storage cabinets. It's perfect for preparing simple meals and snacks while underway or docked. Nearby is a dinette area that comfortably seats 2 to 4 people, and it can convert into a bed when needed. This flexibility is what makes the Nomad such a compelling choice for families, couples or solo travelers alike. The interior also features a small but functional bathroom equipped with a marine toilet and a shower. The bathroom is well ventilated and makes overnight stays more convenient and comfortable. No need to rely on marina facilities when you have everything you need on board. Storage is another highlight of the Nomad's design. There are numerous cabinets, cubbies and under-seat compartments that make it easy to stow away all your gear, bedding, kitchenware and personal items. This makes it easy to stay organized even on longer trips. One of the standout features of the Nomad is its elevated sleeping loft. Above the main cabin area, you'll find a cozy berth that can sleep 1 or 2 people. It's accessible via a small ladder and offers a surprising amount of headroom and comfort for a space of its size. Combined with the convertible dinette, this means the Nomad can comfortably sleep up to 4 people. In terms of performance, the Adventure Craft 28 Nomad isn't going to win any speed records, but it's not built for that. It's designed for cruising, not racing. Equipped typically with a 90 to 115 horsepower outboard motor, it delivers steady and efficient propulsion, ideal for inland waterways and leisurely trips. The boat handles well at low speeds and is easy to maneuver, making docking and tight turns relatively stress-free. Fuel efficiency is another big plus. Thanks to its lightweight design and modest engine requirements, the Nomad is fairly economical to operate. A full tank can provide hours of cruising time, and its shallow draft allows you to avoid fuel-draining maneuvers in deeper waters. Another area where the Nomad shines is ease of maintenance. The systems are simple and accessible, which means less time and money spent on upkeep and more time enjoying the water. The fiberglass construction is durable and easy to clean, and the mechanical systems are straightforward enough for DIY-minded owners to handle most routine tasks themselves. Now let's talk about some of the unique selling points that really set the Adventure Craft 28 Nomad apart from other boats in its class. First and foremost is its trailerability. Being able to tow your houseboat opens up a world of possibilities. You're not limited to one lake or one marina. You can explore different bodies of water without the need for costly marina fees or long cruising routes. Another huge advantage is the self-contained nature of the boat. With power, water and waste systems on board, you can anchor out for days at a time without needing to resupply. It's perfect for those who enjoy boondocking on the water or exploring remote areas where facilities are limited. The all-weather capability is another plus. With its enclosed cabin, solid construction and optional heating and cooling systems, the Nomad can be used in a variety of climates. Whether you're cruising the sunny lakes of the south or navigating the cooler waters up north, this boat can handle it. Let's not forget the fun factor. This boat is just plain fun to use. Whether you're fishing, swimming, grilling on the deck, or just enjoying a sunset cruise, the Nomad delivers a truly enjoyable experience. It offers the kind of laid-back lifestyle that's hard to come by, and it does so without breaking the bank. Speaking of cost, the Nomad is relatively affordable compared to larger houseboats or traditional yachts. It's an entry point into the liveaboard lifestyle that doesn't require a massive investment. This makes it ideal for newcomers to boating or anyone looking to downsize without compromising on comfort. In conclusion, the Adventure Craft 28 Nomad houseboat is a versatile, comfortable and budget-friendly option for those looking to enjoy life on the water. It combines the best elements of a boat and an RV into one compact package that's ready for adventure. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a longer exploration, this boat has what it takes to make your time on the water enjoyable and memorable. Thanks for joining us on this in-depth look at the Adventure Craft 28 Nomad houseboat here on Sir Boats Yacht. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content just like this. Drop your questions and comments below and let us know what boat you'd like us to review next. Until next time, keep floating and stay adventurous.